Portugal. Henrietta and I are making money as we speak every 20 minutes. What do you think about that?
Oh, that's wonderful. That's wonderful. To be paid 72 times every single day while you are asleep is the best thing ever I've discovered.
Yeah, we're here with seven potential millionaires, all of whom are making money with this wonderful business, My Advertising Pays. It's brought us all to this lovely country, and it will take us around the world.
Oh yes, I believe that.
Is there anywhere you'd like to go?
Oh, definitely. I'd love to go to Brazil. I'd love to go to India. I'd love to meet the people there. I know they're very warm and happy. And I believe with My Advertising Pays, the sky is the limit, really.
Belief is the thing.
Yeah.
If you believe it will work, it will. So if you would like to know more about it, contact the person who invited you to see this video and take some action. Get involved with My Advertising Pays.